welcome back to the channel, and welcome to you guys who are watching this for the first time. Like I said in my other video, I think it's the previous video I made, I'm changing my introduction. Didn't want to make it a habit, so I'm welcoming everyone. Okay. So I just wanted to show you my latest results in my mailing list. Okay, so to some of you, you might think, oh, this is not a big mailing list, just 1,148 people. Actually 1,142 of them subscribed. The others, I got their consent, to sign them up because they were interested. But 1,142 emails that were subscribed. How did I do that? All right, well, I mean, I've seen a lot of methods out there for building mailing lists, and yes, most of them do work. Okay, but what I did is a newbie friendly thing, because I was just getting myself started. I was building my mailing list to a point where I can actually use my mailing list to grow my mailing list even further. Okay, we're gonna talk about that in a future video. When I get my mailing list to the right level, I'll use it to make my mailing list even bigger. Okay, but just to give it away, it's actually email swaps, just swapping emails. Basically, I give somebody my link, they send it to their mailing list, and then they give me their link, and I send it to my mailing list, and people subscribe to both our mailing lists. Basically, that's one of the simplest ways to grow your mailing list, besides the other paid traffic methods and whatnot. But how did I do this? Simple: classified ads. Now a lot of people will say, oh, classified ads, that's an old thing, it does not work anymore. Depending on which country you come from, if classified ads are used in your country, make use of them, because there's a lot of people out there looking to start out online. So let them know about your opportunity, and build a mailing list from that. And you know what, from 0 to over 1,000, to me that's great. And I'll be sharing my success with you guys as I grow, as I get my mailing list to be even bigger. But how I did this up to this point, because this is every step you take is success. Every step closer to your dream is success. And I did this by making use of classified ads. As simple as that, which means I have evidence that they do work, and you can grow your list using that free method. Especially at the beginning. Obviously, once you start making a bit of money online, then you can start buying traffic or anything like that. But this one I started from scratch. I'm working on a new campaign, started from scratch, and I built basically the first emails right here that you can see from using classified ads. Yeah, that's about it. It's as simple as that, nothing complicated, very newbie friendly. If you are interested in making money online and want to learn even further how to make money online, in the link below, click in the link below. It's going to take you to a mini course that's going to show you how you can make money online from scratch without spending a cent. Because I'm all about people who are starting out, because that's where it's the most difficult. So if you can get as much help as you can while you're starting out, then you can shoot up. So in the link below, free course. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, if you like the video, if you like this information, press the like button, subscribe, and press the notification button. Until next time, cheers.